Spirituality is often misunderstood, and many people carry misconceptions that prevent them from exploring its true essence. Let's uncover some of the most common myths surrounding spirituality. One major misconception is that spirituality is the same as religion. While religion can be a path to spirituality, they are not identical. Spirituality is a personal journey of inner growth and connection with something greater than oneself. It does not require organized beliefs, rituals, or religious institution. Another common belief is that spiritual people must always be calm, positive, and perfect. This is unrealistic. Spirituality is not about perfection. It's about being authentic, aware, and willing to grow. Feeling anger, sadness, or fear does not make someone less spiritual. These emotions are part of the human experience. Many think spirituality is only for older people or those who have faced trauma, but spirituality is for everyone, regardless of age or life situation. It's about discovering purpose, finding peace, and living consciously. Anyone at any stage of life can explore spiritual practices. Some believe that to be spiritual, one must give up all material possessions or live a minimalist life. While some choose that path, it's not a requirement. Spirituality is more about how you relate to the world and less about what you own. A person can live in the modern world and still be deeply spiritual. There is also a misconception that spiritual practices take hours every day. In reality, simple actions like being mindful, showing gratitude, or sitting in silence for a few minutes can be powerful spiritual practices. Consistency and intention matter more than duration. Another misunderstanding is that spirituality means escaping reality. True spirituality encourages people to face life with more awareness and clarity. It's not about avoiding problems but understanding them with a deeper perspective. Finally, some people think spirituality is just a trend or a social image. But genuine spirituality is internal and deeply personal. It's not about what you wear, post online, or what others see. It's about how you feel, grow, and connect from within. Understanding these misconceptions helps open the door to a more genuine spiritual experience. Spirituality is not limited by age, belief, or lifestyle. It's a path of personal discovery, available to anyone who seeks meaning, peace, and inner connection.